Hey, welcome to Tech Factuala, where you can stay up to date with the latest progress of technologies and gadgets. It is an era of accelerated technological process, characterized by innovations whose rapid application and diffusion typically cause an abrupt change in lives. Lights, electronics, and even appliances can be switched on and off with new technology. After lights, now it's time for your curtains to get smart too. Making your home smarter is awesome. The SwitchBot Curtain is a small motorized robot that fits over your existing curtain rod, which is supported by different track types such as U-rail, I-rail, and also rod types, and is controllable from an app. After mounting to the curtain's rod or rail, you can then control and schedule curtains to open and close. Not unlike other smart curtain solutions, SwitchBot Curtain is coming to retrofit and automate your existing curtains. With one step, attach it to tracks, transform your curtains to smart ones within seconds. Sometimes we're just too tired of pulling the drapes by hand. So from now on, start to open and close your curtains on your smartphone. Today, we will be discussing the top reasons why you should buy a SwitchBot Curtain. If you want to get updated about top technologies, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Factuala for more content. Just click that bell icon to stay updated of when we post next. Now, let's begin with the top 10 reasons why you should buy a SwitchBot Curtain. Number 1. Reduce energy consumption by minimizing temperature fluctuations. Even the most eco-friendly air conditioning consumes energy to cool your room. We can reduce energy consumption by minimizing temperature fluctuations in your room. Close the curtains to block out sunlight to keep your room cool. The SwitchBot Curtain has a built-in sunlight sensor to detect sunlight. This can help save energy by reducing the workload on your air conditioning and heating. It can be set to automatically close during the daytime in summer to block out the sunlight and keep your room cool. Likewise, you can also have it automatically open during the day in winter to warm your room with sunlight. You can also install the solar power strip add-on to charge the SwitchBot Curtain's battery using sunlight, thus eliminating the need to recharge the battery. Don't worry about charging anxiety on the SwitchBot Curtain. Just install it and stay relaxed. Number 2. For smart living, easy life. Leverage technology to take care of the daily routines through automation and voice control. A lights off scene turns off the light and draws the curtains, which help brighten the room naturally with sunlight. Or you can say, Alexa, or OK Google, or Hey Siri, give me sunlight. Then you will get fresh, natural sunlight and you can enjoy the day. Yes, it is just that awesome. Number 3. For light-dark cycle maintenance. Maintain a regular light-dark cycle in your bedroom to keep your sleep-wake rhythm in sync with your circadian rhythm. The SwitchBot Curtain can be set to close at night and open when it senses daylight. Get better sleep and wake naturally to sunshine. You can comfortably take your sleep without any disturbance. Number 4. Anti-theft. Hide your valuables from prying eyes. This is one of the best uses of the SwitchBot Curtain. This sets your curtains to close automatically when you're out of the house to hide your valuables from prying eyes. Can't remember if you closed a window? Don't worry. Check via the app and remotely close the curtains where necessary. Or set them to automatically open at regular intervals to give the impression that someone's home. Number 5. Support 99% curtains. No need of tedious modifications. Some smart curtain solutions only support a single type of curtain. Others are too bulky or require tedious modifications to provide a power source. The SwitchBot Curtain supports different track types such as U-rail and I-rail, and also rod types. It is also wireless. Just clip it on and you're ready to go. It is that simple. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more content like this in the future. Click that bell icon to be notified of when we post next. And enjoy the rest. Number 6. The best bot is the unseen bot. The SwitchBot Curtain is so small that it hides nicely behind your curtains. It will work its way without getting in your way. Likewise, it keeps the sophisticated mechanism within the body of the SwitchBot Curtain, giving you fast and easy installation so you can enjoy the benefits it brings. Number 7. Battery life. The most important thing in any appliance is its battery life. Instead of a wired system, the SwitchBot Curtain is a wireless solution. It uses a rechargeable battery that lasts 8 months depending on the usage. This means you only need to charge it once or twice a year. Once more, you can forget about having to charge it by getting the solar power strip add-on. Sunlight will ensure the SwitchBot Curtain is charged up for its daily work routine. It's amazing! Number 8. It's cinema time. SwitchBot Curtain is ready. Using an optional SwitchBot Hub Mini, you can create scenes for your curtain. For instance, when you turn off the light, the smart curtains will automatically open to brighten the room, and you can remotely check the status of your curtains and control them with your smartphone wherever you are. SwitchBot Curtain paired with SwitchBot Hub, a single voice command or button press, can close the curtains, operate the hi-fi equipment, turn on the TV, and set your favorite channel. How? The hub is equipped with an IR blaster, so you can program anything you'd like. Number 9. SwitchBot Curtain is budget-friendly. Automate your existing curtains. Support Alexa, Google Home, and Siri. The affordable retrofit solution you have been looking for. Get SwitchBot Curtain for $69 and you'll never have trouble again. So these were reasons why you should buy a SwitchBot Curtain. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the Tech Factuala squad and be a part of our channel. Thanks for watching.